Did you know that you can improve your iPhone's battery life by at least 20% by doing short tweak settings on your iPhone? Hi, my name is Amit, your gadget expert, and you're watching a gadget story powered by Tech to Tech.
Very first step is to update your iOS, which is 14.4, the latest software release from the Apple for all your iPhones, which solves most of the security issues and battery bug fixes. Second step is go to settings, click on the display and brightness, click on the dark mode. The complete screen becomes dark, uses less of brightness, less of light, obviously saves a lot of battery. The next step is to go to settings, click on battery, click on low power mode. This helps you save a lot of battery from the apps which use the high power. Then click on display and brightness again and switch off the raise to wake. This will avoid your phone to switch on the display whenever you touch it. This is a very important part and very interesting too. A lot of people keep asking me how can they keep their battery healthy for their iPhones. Let me tell you, all the iPhone model comes with a lithium-ion battery, and due to lithium-ion battery's nature, the lifespan of this lithium-ion chemicals is very limited. That is, your iPhone battery also comes with fixed life cycles. To get this sorted, you'll have to go to settings, click on battery, click on battery's health and switch on optimized battery charging. This feature of optimized battery charging is designed to reduce the wear on your battery and to improve its lifespan by reducing the time your iPhone spends fully charged. When this feature is enabled, your iPhone will delay the charging after 80% in certain situations. That is, your iPhone uses a device learning language and learn your daily charge routine. Now let's come to the animation part of it. A lot of animations which also reduce your battery. Go to settings. After that, click accessibility, click on motion. Over there, switch on reduce motion and switch off autoplay message effects and video previews. This will stop a lot of unwanted animations. There are a lot of unwanted logs and analytics which keep running in the background of the screen. I will prefer them to switch it off. To do this, click on settings, click on privacy, scroll over down, you will have something called analytics and improvements. Switch off the share iPhone and watch analysis, switch off the improve and Siri dictation, and also switch off the share iCloud analytics. I'm sure you must be knowing that a lot of apps keep tracking you. To turn that off, go to settings, click on privacy, click on tracking and switch off request to track. This will stop all unwanted apps to track you. I hope you like this video and now at least you'll be able to save minimum of 20% of your battery life by doing these tweaks. Please do leave your comments below. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you.
Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. My name is Amit signing off. You're watching a gadget story powered by Tech to Tech.